How you doing, Howardian fans and friends? Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Let's jump into it. This is a review of the KLX Needle Kit from Eagle Mike, and so far so good. I'm really into the instructions that Eagle Mike puts out for people. I was really into the community and the videos that were available. I myself followed Eagle Mike's video and did very well to twist it while it was on the bike and access the bottom and the top of the carb. And I can feel the difference in the acceleration just right as we set out from the house, you know, so it's not a joke what they say about trying to get that stuff cracking. It's really nice. It's good. Like there, nice snappy throttle response in 5th gear. The bike itself sounds a lot better, which I think is cool. That's a serious plus in this scenario. The KLR comes out kind of sounding like whistly and like a little bit poppy. Normally right here on decelerization I would have popping, and I'm not hearing it today, so maybe it's like seating itself in better and feeling a little bit better. But yesterday when I put the KLX kit in, it was really popping. The old lumber mill. It's always a part of the ride. Having fun here in the cold December air. Chit-chatting with y'all. Hopefully this video turns out. We had a lot of trees fall down. We had a lot of snow fall down, so it gave plenty of time for a few motorcycle projects to get mailed to us and to get them onto the machine themselves. So the instructions were pretty easy to follow, but also just took it day by day because it was fun to do little bit by little bit. Set a task, accomplish it, savor the task, and then move to the next task the next day instead of trying to bang it out and be tired. There's the mail person coming out of the castle. Nod at the local federal employee. Wintertime lake dwellers. Look at that beautiful view. Got some people walking, got some people driving. The walking sticks out. Nice and chilly. But yeah, you can feel up around 40-50 miles an hour that the jetting is much happier with those recommendations from Eagle Mike, which I know that's not a surprise to anyone in this visit. This video is not groundbreaking internet behaviors. Ooh, that gust of that cold wind. Yeah, this is a cold spot right here. Typically, for some reason, it's probably blasted into the lake is to our left and the forest is to our right. It's visibly colder right here, and you can see that too with the snowfall. We helped the guy, FedEx guy. We helped the FedEx guy out in the ditch right here. It was me and a UPS employee. It was interesting. So UPS employee and me at like 7:30 in the morning helping this like FedEx employee get out of the ditch when it was all snowy right here. So this part is typically a lot icier and colder. You can feel it on my cheeks. Ooh, with the open face helmet. Hopefully the recording comes out at all. There's a tractor, a little bit of sunshine. That's nice right there. That's why we go on the rides in the winter time. Try and get your little bit of Northwest riding in. It's not always easy, and I'm not some hardcore rider that is always trying to show themselves as tougher than the next, but I do have this beautiful upgrade to my KLR, and it's fun to make a video in my journal about that. This is the Howardian Moto Vlog, and we were trying to make YouTube journaling a thing that we can easily look back on. at that. A little bit of that green diamond clear cut. There's a taste of what they do in timber country. The slag piles that they're never coming back for. We got folks in the back of trucks hanging out. Some funny out in the country stuff, all that nice rock they just left there piled up. They're never going back. They put stumps in front of the gate that they used and there's a water, there's like a pond in there, just like, yep, it's good stuff. Not a single tree left. It's alright though. Open up this needle and see where we can go. How more do you maybe? See, there's that little bit of popping on D-cell. Little bit, not a lot, not popping, more like flagging or like just running rich. I don't know what you call it. It's a brrr, not necessarily a bang. So before it was a bang because the aftermarket muffler was just, I suppose, and I don't know, but I suppose it was compressing too much air in the pushing back too much air. We'll go this way around the lake. That mower did to those. KLR 650 needle jet upgrade, KLX needle jet upgrade from Eagle Mike. Doing the review. Still just bing bong and chitter chatter about it. Look at that nice mailbox. I like the yellow and green. But yeah, she opens up nicely. You can feel it when we finally do get it on the highway. He'll probably happily sit at 70, which is what this bike is. It's more of a highway bike. It's a fully fairing off-road vehicle, which is cool in my opinion. You know, that's like still my opinion. That's not new on this channel, but that's what we talk about here, is that the dual sport is a beautiful way to go hiking and go out. Gosh, what a cool piece of heavy machinery. Another walker. They tend to wear the fluoro vest around here. That's good. A little wave to the friendly neighbors. Hood situation. Thurston County, Olympia, Washington. Engine braking and no popping on D-cell, which is nice. I don't know if it's like high-speed D-cell, but I have to find that and tune it out on the muffler, and that's what my goal is. I popped off the spark arrestor last night and took a look at it, and just trying to figure out, take these corners slow in the winter. It's nothing nice around here. It is chilly. I know it looks like the roads are clear, but they are pretty wet. Had this bike in the woods yesterday a little bit, and I did feel the needle jet affecting the off-road riding capability, that I had to rev the engine higher to move it through situations, which that's fine, that's good. I would like to tune that up a little bit too and find a way to make my low end match the high end situation that we have going on with this main jet. So just slowly on the journal journey, trying to learn these little bits of information about ourselves and about the machines that we like to maintain and fix and play with. Cool community. If you're down there, if you're out there, reach out. Tell me what you think of the KLR 650. Another fluoro. Neon is the theme today. I'm glad I have on neon gloves. That's been the theme. Must be waiting on the school bus or something like that. Climbing up the curves on the KLR 650, the Kawasaki Lone Ranger. More hiking sticks. There's a lot of themes today on the road. There's a cool beach I went to down there at some point. Forget where exactly, somewhere. Needle jet kit though, wonderful, you know, money well spent, whatever it was, $120 total all in or something from a machinist that's doing really good stuff for a community of people that are all trying to fix the KLR 650, which is super cool because it's a tractor made by a company that makes tractors and boats. So it's a fun tractor to me. It's outside the realm of motorcycles that are cool, but it comes with a lot of fixes, and one of them is the KLX Needle Jet upgrade.